Assalamualaikum. How are you all? This is Hafsa Fatma. I'm your science teacher from PMS Boys 1. Let's start with a video. Before going towards our main topic, let's see a video.
Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Now, come towards our main chapter, first chapter, that is the human body. We will see what is human body. When you look in the mirror, you see your body. Your body is made up of many parts. Each part of your body has a name. For example, eye, nose, ears, cheeks, chin, shoulder, hands, fingers, knees, toes. Here is a picture. We will see a boy from the front side and from the back side. On the front side, they have shown that a boy has two ears, two eyes, nose, cheeks, mouth, chin, chest, stomach, arm, thumb, fingers, knee, and toe. And from the back side, we can see that a boy has hair, neck, shoulder, elbow, back, hand, leg, and foot. Now we will see that what are the uses of body parts, how they help us in our daily life and our daily life activities. Each part has a different job to do. We use hand to hold things. We use our mouth to eat, speak, or to talk. We use our feet to move, to run, and to walk. In this picture, there is a girl in which says that we use our mouth to eat and speak. There is a boy which holds a paintbrush from his hands and hold other things. We use our feet to run, walk, or to move. We are all human beings. There is a family members. There are boys, girls, men, women, babies. All are human beings. Our body work in a same way, but we all look different. We all family members have the same body parts, even though some are young and some are old. Now look towards this. You can see that we have a picture of a baby, a seeds, and a small kitten and a kitten. Now we will see that what these living things will grow up to be. A baby grow up to be a child, a seeds grow up to be a small plant, and obviously kitten will grow up to be a cat. So that's how all living things grow up. Now you can see that here is a picture of a desk and a chair. Is the desk a living thing? No, it is not, because it cannot breathe or grow. It does not need food and water. Things which do not breathe, grow, move, or eat are known as non living things. Here, a word breathe. Breathe means to take the air in and out, either from mouth or nose. So, things which do not breathe, grow, move, or eat are known as non living things. So, what are living things? What are living things? Human beings, plants, animals are all living things. All living things need air to breathe. All living things need food to, and water to stay alive and to grow. So, living things need all these things to grow and to stay alive. So, you can see here is a picture in which says that how many living things can you see in this picture? We can see there are two ducks, there are puppies, dog, there is a kitten, some birds, trees, plants, and some animals and human beings. These all are the living things. But there are non-living things too. You can see here that non-living things are car, benches, bicycle, toys, road, and other stuff. So let's come towards growing up. What does growing up means? How things grow. Only living things grow. A baby girl grows up to be a woman. A baby boy grows up to be a man. Just like in this picture, you can see that there is a baby boy and a baby girl. They will grow up just to be a man and woman, just like their parents. Plants and animals also grow. Tiny plants grow up into a large plant or tree, just like here is a picture of plants. You can see that there is a small pot in which we have mini plants or the tiny plants. These baby plants will grow up into a large plants while some grow up into a trees. On the other side, we have a baby animals grow and become adult animals. You can see in this picture there are some cute puppies which will grow out to be adult animals. We call them as dogs. Now, there are two pictures and I will show you the importance of living foods. So, you can see that there are some plastic fruits and vegetables here and on the other side you will see there is a sandwich and you have these two options and I will which plate do you want to have? Obviously you will like to have a sandwich because you want to eat food. Do you ever think Have you ever think about why do we need food? Why we do we need? We need food because we need to live. We need to grow. That's why we need food for living things. Why do living things need food? All living things like plants, animals and human beings need food to stay alive. How food help us? Food help us to grow. It help us to give energy. Plants also make their own food. How plants make their own food? There is a small plant. We put it on under sunlight. We give them water on a daily basis. Plants use water and sunlight as their requirements to make their own food for themselves. Some animals eat plants while some animals eat other animals. Human beings eat food that comes from both plants and animals. You will see here there are some apples, bananas, guavas, carrots, cucumber, onion and some cabbage. These are the foods that come from plants. On the other side, on the other picture, you will see there are chicken meat which comes from chicken. You can see a fish meat which comes from fish. There you can see a beef which comes from a cow. You can also see there is some milk and eggs which are also come from other animals just like cows, buffaloes and eggs from the chickens. That was all. So before ending our today's lecture, here is a game for you all.
It's time to play a game called Simon Says to do. But you should only do them when Simon says so. So if I say, for example, Simon says, clap your hands, you should clap your hands. But if I just say, clap your hands, then you shouldn't. Or if you do, you may find that you'll be out. Okay, let's have a go, shall we? Simon says, clap your hands. Simon says, touch your nose. Simon says, scratch your head. Wiggle your hips. Was anybody wiggling? Because I never said that Simon said, wiggle your hips, did I?